Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about the new Jira issue view. We all know about this new Jira issue view on cloud, and this new Jira issue view is not really useful for everyone, because people who have been using Jira for quite a while, they find it a bit difficult to basically find their way on Jira Cloud. Now, there is a page on Atlassian documentation where you can read about this new Jira issue view. And on this particular page, you have, of course, some documentation about what this new Jira issue view will bring for you. And this particular feature is right now, I believe, by default turned on. Now, I was interested in turning it off because I prefer the old view, because I'm of course used to the view that I have been using for many years. So let me show you very quickly how we can disable and turn off this new Jira issue view. So if you're logged into your Jira Cloud instance, you need to go to your profile, and if you go to your settings, you will find an option to turn it off. Now, before I turn it off, I'll probably show you this new view. So when you're looking at your issue, this is one of my issue. It is a bug. You have, of course, these options on top, like there is an attachment, there is a button to attach a file, there is a button to also create a subtask, link issue, link page, and of course you have other options that will probably be useful when you're using apps. And you don't really have the option here to do those workflow transitions. That option is now shifted on the right hand side, where you have this this kind of a drop down where you can select the workflow, the next available status, and you have the option to take a look at the view workflow. And of course the UI is a bit different. For example, if you click on the button to create a subtask, you will get this option here to simply type in your subtask name, and that is it. You can just click on the create button. So it is all right. I'm sure there is a reason for this new Jira issue view. Maybe Atlassian is trying to see how it works for new users who are probably new to Jira and they have never used Jira before. But I think many people have been using Jira for quite a while, and when all of a sudden you find a new UI, you find it a bit difficult. So let us turn it off, and for turning it off, you need to go to your profile. I need to click on my profile in settings, and if I go to the settings option here, you will find of course different options to configure your time zone language. But if you scroll down, there is an option here called Jira Labs, and this toggle, if you click on it, will simply turn off the new Jira issue view, and you can send your feedback to Atlassian, like, maybe this new feature is slowing me down. So after turning it off, if you go back to your issue, you can see that you will have your old familiar interface. So now we are back to the old interface, old view, where you have the first button called edit, then comment, assign, then you have your workflow buttons, and on the right hand side you have your, of course, people section. And basically this is the view that we are used to. So this is all I actually wanted to share in this video, and this turning it off feature is not really intuitive. I mean, of course, sometimes you get an option here on top that do you want to turn it off, but I think not many people know about this ability to turn it off, and this is all I wanted to share in this video. So I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.